Hello and welcome to the Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. Here we're looking at domestic violence related cases. Even though unreported, they have interesting precedential value. This is the case of C.A.K versus B.K. By the way, in domestic violence cases, they use the initials. Here, a TRO was issued against a man who sent text messages to third parties, not to his ex. So the defendant appealed the final restraining order against him. The plaintiff alleged the defendant committed acts of domestic violence by calling her names, berating her, and threatened to ruin her life in an argument at the son's baseball practice, but then sending text messages to 6 of her family members. The plaintiff was married in 2010, separated in 2018, and were in the process of divorcing. Plaintiff had obtained prior TROs against the defendant. The defendant denied the allegations except for the text messages to her family. The family court judge found the plaintiff more credible and also found the defendant's actions were in violation of the civil restraints in a prior order and issued the final restraining order. The defendant argued the family judge erred in finding him guilty of harassment based on text messages to third parties. However, the court found sufficient credible evidence in the record to support the finding that the defendant engaged in harassment, and that communications were intended to annoy the plaintiff when they were sent to her family members. And that's C.A.K versus B.K. For other information on domestic violence cases and criminal, visit website N.J.S.A.laws.com. And for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.